Getting started with e-commerce can feel like juggling a million things. Store setup, product sourcing, fulfillment, shipping. It's a lot. But if you're using Big Cartel, chances are you value simplicity. You want to focus on your art or your brand, not back-end logistics. That's where Printify comes in. You can now connect print-on-demand products directly to Big Cartel, giving you a fast, beginner-friendly way to launch custom products without managing inventory or shipping. Whether you're already using Big Cartel and want to add merch, or you're a Printify merchant looking for a lighter e-commerce platform made for creatives, this is the perfect combo. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to connect your Printify and Big Cartel accounts step by step and publish your very first product. And stick around because I'll show you exactly what you get once you've connected. Start by heading to printify.com and create an account. Find the My New Store drop-down menu in the left corner and click Add New Store. Select Big Cartel and continue. Now create a new store in Printify or choose an existing one, then hit Connect. You'll be taken to the Big Cartel login page, or if you're already logged in, you'll be taken directly to the Printify app store page. Click Set up Printify and then allow for the integration to work properly. And now you're ready to create and publish your products. Browse our catalog, and when you find a product you like, start designing. Create your design directly in the product creator with our free tools, or drag and drop your design file right in. Preview the product to get an idea of how it'll look printed, and when you're happy, click Save Product. Next, add all your listing details like title, description, and price. Save it as a draft to work on it later, or publish it right away. And congrats! Your first print-on-demand product is live and ready to sell on Big Cartel. And now that you're connected, here's what you get access to through Printify. No upfront costs. Printify is free to use. You only pay when a product sells. And if you want bigger margins, you have the option to upgrade to Printify Premium and get up to 20% off product prices. 1,000 plus customizable products, from apparel to home goods to accessories. Zero inventory and zero shipping. Everything is fulfilled automatically by Printify's global network of print providers. Design with ease. Use our built-in product creator or upload your custom artwork in minutes. Full automation or manual control. You choose how hands-on you want to be. Global reach with Printify Choice and our worldwide fulfillment network. You can deliver your products faster to more customers. The Printify Big Cartel integration is the easiest way to launch your creative business fast without complexity. Whether you're selling t-shirts, prints, accessories, or something totally original, you can now turn your creativity into a revenue stream in just a few clicks. Ready to start? Head to printify.com and connect your Big Cartel store today. Need more help? Watch our full guide next to walk through your Printify account from top to bottom. I'll see you there.